Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make house music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making house music. So there are two ways guys. The first one is to start from scratch. So you can go ahead and get started with making your instruments right here. You're going to use some keyboards, drums and so on and make your desired tune. But an easier way is to get started with pre-made tracks. So if you go into live loops right here in the upper left corner next to tracks, we can find all the loops that we can make. So as you can see, we have a lot of them. One of the options is called house. So what you can do is tap on house, and this is now going to open up this pre-made house loop that's going to enable you to make your desired song. So now you can go ahead and get started with adding your effects. You can add more instruments that you want to play and so on, and get started with using the pre-made loop. But let's go back to the tracks again, and if you want to go ahead and make it from scratch but use some effects, you can go into the sound library right here. So as you can see, in the sound library we have all the content packs like Vox Melodics, Beat Tape and so on. You want to go ahead and find something related to house that's going to make you get your desired tune, and here you can get started playing around with the packs and making your own song. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.